Hey guys, today we're gonna watch an egg explode in the microwave. Let's go. Okay, let's get the bowl. I've already exploded one today. Thought you guys see that egg crap, but I can do it again. There you go. Okay, now let's get the egg. The egg is already boiled. It's not just an egg with But if you guys want to do this, just get an egg that's boiled, or probably not know if it will. If it's not boiled, but probably. Eggs in the microwave. Put it in for 50 seconds and start. Okay, it might be loud, way loud. Oh my god. That was scary. So exploded again. Oh my gosh. So let's do it for 50 seconds. And like pretty much at the end it will explode. So hope you enjoyed, subscribe and leave a like. And bye.